Hey y'all, hey, welcome to another video. It's your girl T. In today's video, we are going to be making our own SVGs using Canva. So if that interests you, stick around. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. Please consider subscribing to my channel, leaving me a comment, liking the video, sharing out the video. For my returning subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All right, so you will see me in this gear in a couple of videos today because I am batch recording videos so that I can have content for you all to watch leading up to the holidays. So happy holidays in advance to you guys, because I probably will not see you of course on Thanksgiving. I want you guys to enjoy your family, enjoy your food, and above all, thank God for still being among the living and being just thankful, grateful, and blessed. And I am thankful, grateful, and blessed for each one of you as my supporters. So without further ado, let's go. Let's go to Canva. So let me share my screen. Entire screen, share screen. And guys, we're in the tunnel for just a second. Okay, so here we are in Canva, right? So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to create a design. In this instance, I'm going to type in a t-shirt, okay? Now, where did it go? Okay, so there are two ways that you can make a t-shirt in Canva, right? So they already have these lovely little templates over here. Okay, internet catch up. Thank you. So they have these lovely little templates over here that you can use, right? Okay. So let's just say, waiting on the internet, y'all. All right, let's say I like this one right here. Okay. Move money, right? Boom. So I'm going to share this, and then I'm going to go to download. I'm going to go all the way over, and I'm going to transfer. I'm going to change that to an SVG. Notice that in order, the PNG is a free function, but the SVG is not. It's a pro function. You must have Canva Pro to do this. Okay, guys? So share, download, change this to an SVG, and make sure you have a transparent background, and then you're going to download it. Okay. So then let's say you wanted to offer this in an SVG, a PNG, a JPEG, and a DXF file for whatever reason that you need a DXF file, right? Then you would save all those, compress it, because it would need to be compressed, because if you do not compress it, Etsy will surely let you know that you are over that space allotment. So you want to make sure you compress it and put it in a zipped file so that you can upload it in Etsy and offer those different things. Okay. So there's one way that we can do a t-shirt in Etsy. So now, oops, no, I'm gonna start a new design. Let's see, home, create a design, and we're just gonna type in t-shirt again. All right, so there's our blank image, okay? And you would come over here to the text box, right? And let's do add a subheading, okay? Do I like that? I don't. Let's see if we can find a different font that we like. Do we like that one? No. Do we like that one? No. I'm looking for something kind of scripty like, but I want it to be, let's try this one. So let's see. I'm going to say All right, and I want that to be capitalized, and I want this to be capitalized, okay? So there is our saying. Y'all, simple fonts say, simple fonts sell. Simple sayings sell, okay? You don't have to be overly dramatic with it. Just say this was our t-shirt and we liked it, right? So what we would do yet again, but I think I want to add some elements to that, y'all. Let's see. Because I kind of like that. That's a t-shirt. I don't want that t-shirt there though. And that's going to be too big. So I'm just using this t-shirt to see. So that's the neck. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3. So that's about right. That's about right there, y'all. Okay, and we're going to slide it just a little bit over. All right. So hold on. I'm going to edit. I'm going to bring that over some. There we go. Okay. So believe in yourself, okay? So that's how you would put it as a mock-up, but we're not doing a mock-up. I'm looking for some legit elements for a t-shirt. Let's see. Let's try this. I love it. What y'all thinking? I like that. Okay. So let's say that's our t-shirt. Boom. But what I do want to do is I'm going to make this bigger now. Okay. Believe in yourself. All right. Then we would grab all of these together, group these up, and boom, there's our t-shirt. Okay. Then you would go share, download, move it all the way over, come down to SVG, transparent background, and download it. And y'all, I am going to print this. I'm going to actually print this. Okay. And I'm probably sure they had like other graphics and things like that you could have put it on. Yeah. But this is your t-shirt mock-up. Let's say I'm going to put this on a black t-shirt. And I'm just going to go to layer. And I'm going to send that to the back. All right. And of course, let's see. Nope, that's our t-shirt. We got to make sure we get the right layer, y'all. How cute is that? How cute is that? Okay. How cute is that? Believe in yourself. That is just a little retro background with the believe in yourself. I think that is absolutely adorable. Okay. So that is how you would make a, I'm going to stop sharing the screen. So that is how you make SVGs in Canva, guys. So it's short and sweet, direct to the point. If you want to upload it to Etsy as a digital file, you can upload it in SVG, upload it in a PNG, and say you want to upload it in a JPEG. Make sure that you compress the file. Make sure that you, once you compress it, you zip it, and then you upload it to Etsy. Fill out all of the characteristics of it so that you'll be able to publish it. Because if all of those characteristics are not filled out, Etsy will throw you back an error, and then you have to keep trying to figure out where your error is. So just make sure each box is checked. Make sure you specify that it's a digital product or it's a physical product. If you want to sell it as a digital product where they can download it and layer it in SVG or print it out as a DTF or print it on Caesar Easy Subly or Easy DTV. Any of that, guys, is how it's just that simple to go to Canva. So without further ado, thank you for watching my video. If you made it this far, I appreciate it. If you watched it for any length of time, I appreciate that as well. Please crush that subscribe button. Please crush that like button and share out the video. Leave me a comment, as I do like relating back to you guys and responding back to you guys as well. So until next time, peace. Stay crafty. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.